So I'm back here, and the smoker's on. We got the smoker working, and there's a heck of a lot of bees, I can tell you that for sure. Smoking them right now. Hopefully we'll get the foot on. Another piece of main equipment. Seepers. Calm down. Smoke them a bit. Little tap came out. That should be fine. Working, that's good. Taking this thing out. There's some bee frames over here. Nothing here. Have some building over here. Got it. Actually, they've been building pretty good. Okay. Brood. Little comb on the edge here. Right here. So, some more nectar, some drones. Actually, we've got some eggs on this one. See tiny eggs here. So, queen has been down on this one. That's good. These queen's alive. Very little eggs. And you see recently. Tried to do this really quick. Cap brood. No, this capped honey. Nothing over here. Same here. With honey. Move on. Smoking them. We can continue having the smoker so it doesn't take. Yes. More honey. More honey. Pretty good. These are still active. Live. Careful. Cool. This is fine. Okay. Going back in. There. Over here. More honey. Comb, honey. More comb, honey. They've been building quite a lot of comb. Pollen. Perfect. This one. Empty. This one over here.
Get that frame back in.
It looks like they've been working on this one. Oops. There's a lot of guys over here. A lot more at least. Ooh, yeah. Let's put a bit more here. Holy.
It's got brood. Okay, good.
Holy crap.
How do we hold this frame?
Holy my God. That's right.
Why don't we go to one of the center frames and see if we find the queen or brood. We need to see more.
I see more eggs. I see more eggs.
Oh, look at this. We've got cap brood here.
Yeah. More eggs, far more eggs. I'm not seeing the queen, but I sure see eggs.
Let's not take all the frame. Let's go here. Put this. Looks like drone cells. What the hell? There's more queen.
There's a lot of larvae over here.
The queen cells capped.
Can't take a look at the queen cells. And they seem like they were swarm cells. There's a big hole.
Any of the queen cells capped?
They're active queen cells, and they seem like they wanted to swarm with them. Because maybe they're thinking that they have a lot of bees. Because they sure do have a lot of bees.
Did you open up the queen cells?
Yeah.
There's more capped root drone cells.
Oh, Mike, can you help me?
Look. It's heavy? Oh, it's falling apart.
It isn't.
Oh, that's how it was.
Oh my God. That's a lot of bees. That's a lot of bees. Oh, it's heavy. Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh. Queen has been working, that's for sure.
I haven't seen her yet.
That doesn't mean
Maybe
it's...
she's surrounded by bees though, right?
Yeah.
A little bit of capped root. There's a queen cell too. If you get it's open.
Yeah. There's a lot of...
Okay,
There's a lot...
They're starting to get angry. Wrap it
Yep.
up real quick.
Yep, there is a lot of brood here. There's a lot of even bigger brood over here. Queen has been working, queen has been active, that's good. And now we want to see. Not much comb. Not good.
You haven't seen the queen.
These look like these are all empty.
They're all empty.
Okay. Now let's go pushing out these frames with the pressure treat catcher.
Okay, we're good. Careful when you drop that frame in. There's a lot of bees down here.
We're adding supers here.
Okay, smoke these guys and I'll put the deep on. Easy with them. Okay.
Scooter. Yep, we need that then. Super. Like these are kind of attracted to the super.
Top cover. Inner cover.
Yep. They've ate the patty.
Pollen, I don't think we need it.
I don't think it's...
Obviously they're finding nectar. Okay.
Okay. Well, that's it for today. I guess. If you like it, subscribe.
You want to change anything with the entrance?
I kind of don't think that that's going to be a good idea. If you like the video, subscribe. You can...
Oh, leave them.
That's all. Bye.